practice.
Oh, hey guys, Lydia here. I was just reading a book, but I found a really good magic trick in this book. So I'm going to be showing you that today. See you soon.
Stop in the name of the law. Oh, I'm going to need backup. Stop.
No, never.
Ha, I gotcha.
No.
All right, so now what I'm going to have to do is we're going to have to put some handcuffs on you. Put your wrists out. All right, I'm going to put that one on like that. All right. And you know what? We'll cover that all up. And key. Huh, where did I put the key?
Hey, wasn't your key in your pocket?
Well, a lot of good it does me now.